Hey everyone! If you're craving something warm, cozy, packed with flavor, you've got to try my creamy salmon and potato pie. It's comfort food at its best, simpler than it sounds. First, let's grab a few potatoes, peel them, boil until fork tender, drain. Mash, splash of milk, knob of butter, salt, black pepper, mix until super smooth. Now the creamy salmon filling. Melt a bit of butter, add chopped onion, cook until soft. Sprinkle flour and stir. Pour in milk and whisk until thick. Flake in cooked salmon, leftover baked salmon, canned salmon. Add peas, add chopped dill. Stir, season, remove from heat. Spoon the salmon mixture into an oven-proof dish. Gently spread your mashed potatoes over the top. Fluff with a fork to make peaks. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes until golden and bubbling. That's it. When you scoop into this pie, creamy, savory salmon, sweet peas, buttery mash, in every bite, perfect for a chilly night or a hug in a bowl. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments. See you next time.